coherent lessons that are sequenced the right way and engaging. So I'm just picking out the engaging parts of the lesson plan for the unit of work that I completed. So the first part is I suppose the emulation of the Casio calculator on the interactive whiteboard would be the engaging source in this topic. In the same lesson, lesson 4, we talk about 360 degrees in a circle and how that was and how that came about, which is pretty interesting. And it looks like a kludge, doesn't it? Introducing real problems in the physical world, in the applied mathematics stream into the trigonometry. You can see here a skier going down the slope, and this forces act upon him, and to work out using trigonometry things about his motion. At the end of the unit of work, there's a little excursion arranged, and it's visiting Sydney Uni physics building in Science Road, I believe, or Physics Road, is it? Sydney University's physics building has 2 telescopes, radio telescopes on top of the building. One is a transmitter and one's a receiver, and you can actually line up these telescopes at the edge of the moon, so as the moon passes through the telescope while it's bouncing its radio beams, you can pick up a signal on the receiver and work out how wide the moon is, which is pretty good, and you can work out how far the moon is away from the Earth as well, very accurately, just using those 2 telescopes. And I thought that would be a good trigonometry excursion for the children. And just to the worksheet here, there's one problem here. You can see there's a graph of slow moving creatures, and which one is the slowest, which is the fastest. And this is where the syllabus is trying to get the Year 9 kids to understand trigonometry and scaffold them to the y equals mx plus b, which is a gradient formula line. So that's why I introduced that problem. There's no numbers there, they just need to understand the rise over the run concept. And just finish off with an elevation problem there with a kangaroo standing a distance away from Uluru in Alice Springs. And just some interesting facts about Uluru. I didn't know it was that deep into the ground. I didn't know it goes that many kilometres into the ground, but they've got a bit of an estimate there, so that's quite interesting as well.